Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another tutorial for you guys, and this was a requested video by one of my lovely subscribers. She requested Halloween themed nails. I wasn't able to do the shape she wanted because I don't have full cover nail tips in that shape, but you guys can always do your desired shape. I just decided to do coffin. And by the way guys, thank you so much for allowing me to reach 500 subscribers. I am so happy and at the same time so amazed on how much people support this channel and just love my content. It means the absolute world to me, just being able to help you guys and create these tutorials and just anything that you grasp on from these videos. It just completely makes me happy. That's the reason behind my channel. So thank you so much once again. I appreciate and love each and every one of you. After I was done pushing back the cuticles, picking out my nail tips and buffing out the nails, now I am just applying some base coat, which is another method that I always rave about. It's one of my favorite methods to adhere any sort of fake nails. So here I'm just applying some base coat, applying the nail on and curing it for 30 through 60 seconds. I will have everything linked down below for you guys if you're interested in getting anything that you see in this tutorial. So now I will begin to shape and file. I am going for a coffin shape. Therefore, to achieve a beautiful coffin shape, all you have to do is file from side to side, straight down the nail on each side and at a 45-degree angle. So now that I'm done shaping and filing, I will begin to apply the base gel to all the nails, curing it for 30 through 60 seconds. And by the way guys, for this tutorial I did forget to buff completely. I don't know why, but I just did. So I did end up not doing that step, but remember to do so. So here after, I am just applying the base coat once again like I mentioned, and then we will begin the tutorial. So these are the colors that I will be using for this tutorial today. This LA Colors Glow Polish, by the way, it doesn't glow in the dark, it glows in black light. I don't have black light. So yeah, here are the polishes that I will be using for this tutorial. I did get the LA Colors Glow at Walmart, just in case you guys were wondering. So here I begin to apply my first layer. I applied 2 layers to each polish except for the red that you guys will see that I used on my middle finger. I only applied 1 coat because it's like a jelly texture. It's so pretty just with one, so I just decided to apply 1 coat. But yeah guys, I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial so far. Thank you once again for all the love that you guys show down below. Here I begin to apply the base coat, and the reason being is because this works excellent to adhere anything onto the nail. So after you're done curing the base coat, it does leave a tacky layer, and then we are ready to apply the glitter flakes. Now I will just begin to use my thumb to apply these glitter flakes. I find this the easiest method because I've tried to use like a dotting tool and a brush, and it's just never the same. So I decided just to use my thumb. It's the easiest, quickest way that I found that works best for me. So I wanted to share that with you guys if you like to try it in this way. So yeah, here I'm just applying the flakes to my liking, and then I will go in and apply a matte top coat. These are what the nails are looking like. I absolutely love this Halloween themed nail tutorial that I created for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you once again for all the love and support. Till next time.